Bestie, I have an interesting gadget for us today. This is a straightener that vibrates. Yes, that was the same reaction that I had. It vibrates. What? Why? This is the Vibrastrait Pro from Utopia, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this. Why does it vibrate? But it's so that you don't get those like kinks or like those little weird indentations in your hair while you're straightening. It vibrates so that it like continuously moves so that you don't have any of those little marks if you like stop or take too long in one area. I'm so excited to try this. The straightener actually has tourmaline ceramic plates, so it's super nice on your hair, doesn't tug or snag, it's really gentle, and wow, this is so fast. The straightener was able to heat up in literally 8 seconds, and it turns off after 50 minutes automatically, which is incredible for me because sometimes I forget and leave my straightener on. So I'm actually putting it to the ultimate test right now and curling this side of my hair to see if I can do it without getting any indents, because that is where I always, that's where I always have trouble. Whenever I curl my hair with a straightener, I always end up with an indentation or like a little kinky area. No kinks. Okay, it's the way that I was able to straighten this side of my hair in literally 30 seconds and now I'm done. Like what? It was so fast. I mean, consider me impressed. I didn't think that I was going to be impressed by a vibrating straightener, but it did a beautiful job. What do we think? I love you, bestie. Thank you for watching. Bye.